Hello, come on in.
Hi guys, welcome to another apartment tour. I am here today with Corey.
Hey.
And he's going to take us around his apartment. Let's get right into it.
So I'm gonna move you guys into my dining room slash kitchen. This section is probably like the least done in the apartment, just because like that section over there, we have like this messy little section here which we don't really know what to do with, but we have tried to make like this little bar thing because my cousin is actually like a wine enthusiast, so we got like this cool little refrigerator for wine. So like all of the expensive wines go in there, and then everything that we drink on a daily, no kidding, just stays here. And then if you move over onto this side, we have like an open plan kitchen, so we do a lot of entertaining here. That's why we have the bar stools just over there. And yeah, it's a decent sized kitchen, I think, for London. Most apartments that I see, they are this more or less this size, but I feel like because it's extended out, that it makes it feel a lot bigger and it's better for entertaining. And plus we have like a sexy cool balcony if you just want to come on through here. So yeah, this is our balcony. Decent view. It's on the back because London is over on that side, but it's still really nice, really chilled and peaceful. And if you look like just behind you over there, that's where Jason, my best friend, lives. So it's really cool for entertaining because we have like this whole balcony. Like last weekend when it was really warm, we had like a cool barbecue with a few friends, so it was really nice. Right, let's go back inside because it's kind of windy.
So how did you find this apartment?
When I moved to London, I was staying with my aunt, and her landlord is the owner of this property. And during the time I was moving and stuff, he offered me this place. So yeah, we just came to have a look at it and we really liked it, so we took it.
Let's see another room.
Moving over onto this side. This, I would say, is something we're really proud of. A lot of like Ikea furniture, which is quite simple. So in London, we want to like use like things that can like create space. So this is why I really like this couch, for example, because it has like this amazing storage here, which is great. And then it also like pops out into like a little sofa bed. If you have somebody sleeping over, nice little bed, and it's quite cool. And literally just pops back so easy like that. And that's that.
So did this apartment come furnished or unfurnished?
Unfurnished.
Unfurnished. So everything you've had to buy here?
Yes, unfortunately. Getting it up the stairs was a nightmare. So yeah, moving in London is difficult. But yeah.
Let's see another room.
All right, but first I want to say this. In the hallway, this is one of the main reasons why I took this place, because a lot of places I was looking at in London, even before I moved, or my landlord offered the property, there was nowhere with like a lot of storage. So when I came in and I saw like literally all of this, I was like, I was already sold almost. I'm like, okay, this is great, because I think that's one of the biggest problems. I'm sure you have the same, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, so next room, we'll just move into my room. So the first thing you probably notice is that the bed's on the floor, and that's because it broke. And we just been too lazy to replace it, but we kind of like the whole minimalistic style. So whenever people come over, we're like, yeah, we're just minimal. Good sized bedroom, I think, and again, so much closet space, which is absolutely amazing for us. This used to be my desk for creating videos on YouTube, but then my boyfriend decided he would make it into his game station, so now I don't have a desk.
So what is it you do for a living?
I'm actually a store manager in Costa coffee. And then obviously I do YouTube part-time because yeah, I just love creating stuff. I keep myself as busy as possible in London, so it's really nice, yeah.
And how convenient is it for getting to work from here?
I take one bus, literally all the way there, and then there's also a train, like an overground. I can do that, which is like 6 minutes. And there's the tube station just in Richmond, which is just up the road. So there's a lot of options, which is great. We'll move over into my cousin's room. I don't know much about this room. He got this smaller. So apparently, according to my landlord, in dimension, this room and that room are exactly the same size. Just they different in dimensions. Does that make sense? So like this one's longer, whereas that one was more of a square.
So I was going to ask you how you found your roommate, but it seems to be pretty easy in this case.
Yes. Yeah, we were actually really lucky because he came over at the time we were just about to get the place, so it was really convenient. So we were really lucky. Next one, we'll just move into the bathroom. One of the things when I'm looking for a property in London is like a good shower. I don't know if you guys feel this. So this one came with like a cool little filtered shower head thing, and it's an amazing shower because the water feels great. So I was like, yeah, this is cool, love it. And it's a decent size, and also the heater for the towel rack is another big seller for me.
Bathrooms are notoriously bad in London, aren't they?
Yeah, they can be horrific sometimes, yeah. I was an estate agent for like a couple of months. Yeah, so I knew what I was looking for when I came here, so a few little tricks of the trade.
Have you seen some horrors maybe?
Oh yeah, some really terrible things. It was so nervous moving to London, moving in London, sorry, because like I would go over to a lot of friends' houses and the sharing situations were kind of like bad sometimes. Like it's so dirty and cringy and horrible, and it gave me so much anxiety. So being in this situation makes me feel really good.
So the average for renting a 2-bedroom apartment here in Mortlake is £2,108 per calendar month.
Is it really? Oh my god. Not that much. 1,550.
So how do you split the rent?
So it's me and my boyfriend in my room, and then Chad in his, so it's by 3 ways, which is quite good.
And do you find that bills and utilities are fine on top?
So this area in specific, it's part of the Richmond Borough, which is like one of the more expensive council taxes. And the bills are okay because we only have single glazing on one side of the flat and we have double glazing on the other because of apparently this building is really old, and the building management, they feel they want to keep the tradition, so that's why they don't want to change the front of the building. So the bills in winter for like gas get really high, but electricity and water kind of the same, so it's not so bad.
The windows are definitely something to look for when finding an apartment.
100% yes.
And so on top of that, what would be your biggest tip for what to look for or finding an apartment in London?
I would say definitely good storage, because you can never have too much. Enough living space, because I feel like if you're just renting a room and there's nowhere else to have like a place to go, even if it is small, but you need something else that can break away from just your small little room environment, are 2 things that I would definitely say are worth looking for.
So thank you so much, Corey, for giving us this tour.
You're so welcome.
What's your channel? What do you do?
So my channel is just Corey Schultz, and it's LGBT news, kind of gossip, any kind of like situation. I just do a lot of story times and stuff like that. It's really cool.
Excellent. So do check that out. I've got links to him in the description.
Oh, thank you.
I hope that you enjoyed this video. For another house tour, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.